shall I cook today?
Hi friends, we meet again and today I am dedicating this recipe to those who are craving for a good mee curry hawker style. Come, let's see how to turn a boring instant noodles into a bombastic curry mee hawker style. First, let me get my ingredients. Okay friends, let's start cooking. The basic ingredients to transform instant noodles to taste somewhat like hawker-style mee curry are the onions, garlic, curry leaves, chili powder, tomatoes, fried tofu, and some coconut cream. So make sure you have these items to cook this dish. And today I have chosen Maggi mee, which I found lying in my pantry. If you are making more than one serving, you double the amount of the ingredient here. This is simple and easy to cook dish, but tasting extraordinarily wonderful. Everyone should try. Campak-campak aja dah siap. Sedap pula tu. You can use any condiments you like. Fish balls, fish cakes, cockles, prawns, shredded chicken, anything. And for my vegetarian friends, you may add tofu, fuchuks, cauliflowers, cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, or even lettuce leaves. Senang cakap, apa suka masuk aja. Mee curry is ready. Let's plate and eat. The secret in making this dish as authentic as the okra curry mee lies on the bean sprout. The moment the gravy meets the tauge, the honeymoon starts. Hey! It is very important to add the tauge. But if you don't like tauge, then it's okay. Too bad. If you like this recipe and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you for your support. Happy cooking. Bye.